Hello, so this is a simple demonstration video of using um, MongoDB and just pulling stuff from the database here. So I'll demonstrate with the localhost. The render, for some reason, isn't quite working. There's like some error um, with like some start with thing in the package lock file. Anywho, um, so I stored the URI in the .env, which I use the get ignore to not show. Um, and then I send it. And when I start the program, I can start the rest here. So I can do this, and you can see I have all my contacts here. And then I can do it again with getting it by the ID, and I can just get that individual one. Yep, like I said, this connects with the MongoDB database. I'm using the connection string, and the render one isn't quite working. I'm not sure, entirely why, but I'm going to keep working on trying to figure that out.